Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 12.3.1 on nearly even tetrachords. So in the past couple sections, we were looking at major and minor triads and how they relate to each other outside of keys. Now we're going to do the same thing with seventh chords. So first step is to think about a seventh chord that evenly divides the octave. We started from the augmented triad when we were in triad world. Now we're in seventh chord world. So as we've discussed earlier, that would just be your fully diminished seventh. If we lower any of the chord tones by a half step, we get a dominant seventh chord. So if we take the C down to B, it's B7. We take the E flat down to D, that's D7. If we take our F sharp down to F, that's F7. And if we take our A down to G sharp, that's an A flat 7. Likewise, if we raise any of the chord tones by a half step, if we raise any of them, we get a half diminished seventh chord. So if we take our C up to C sharp, you get an E flat diminished, half diminished 7, or D sharp. If you raise your D sharp to E, you get an F sharp half diminished 7. If you raise your F sharp to G, you get an A half diminished 7. And if you raise your A to A sharp or B flat, you get a C half diminished 7. So this is very similar to when we had our augmented triad and when we raised a note by a half step, we got a minor triad. When we lowered a note by a half step, we got a major triad. So likewise, dominant sevenths and half diminished sevenths are just one half step away from your fully diminished seventh. So these are the chords that we're primarily going to work with. See you next time.